Automated testing tools to learn in 2025. By 12-Minute School. Tricentis Tosca is a model-based test automation tool providing comprehensive test management. Supports various technologies. Supported programming languages. Tosca Script, Java, C#, Python and VB Script. Appium is an open-source tool for automating testing across platforms. Supports iOS and Android mobile applications. Supported programming languages. Java, JavaScript, Ruby and Python. Lambda Test is a cloud-based AI-powered test orchestration and execution platform. Supports web and mobile applications. Supported programming languages. Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, Puppeteer, Tycho, Appium, Espresso, Scutist. Selenium is an open-source tool used for automating web-based applications. The tool supports web applications. Supported programming languages. Java, Python, C# and Ruby. Catalan is a comprehensive tool that supports various types of application testing. Catalan supports web API, mobile and desktop applications. Supported programming languages. Groovy. Ranorex is known for its robust GUI testing capabilities. The tool supports desktop, web, and mobile applications. Supported programming languages. C# and VB.NET. Test Complete is a versatile tool that supports automated testing for various applications. Test Complete supports web, mobile, and desktop applications. Supported programming languages. Python, JavaScript, and VB Script. TestTim is an AI-powered tool that simplifies the creation and maintenance of automated tests. Supports web applications. Supported programming languages. JavaScript. Micro Focus UFT1 is a widely used tool for functional and regression testing. The tool supports Windows-based and web-based applications. Supported programming languages. VB Script. Eggplant focuses on user experience testing and offers intelligent automation features. It supports various platforms. Supported programming languages. SenseTalk scripting language. Cypress is a JavaScript-based end-to-end testing framework providing fast, reliable testing. Supports web applications. Supported programming languages. JavaScript. Playwright is an open-source framework for automating web browsers. Playwright supports web applications. Supported programming languages. JavaScript/TypeScript, Python, C# and Java. Puppeteer is a Node library providing a high-level API to control Chrome or Chromium. It supports web applications, Chrome/Chromium. Supported programming languages. JavaScript. Tycho is an open-source browser automation tool built by the team behind Gauge. Supports web applications. Supported programming languages. JavaScript. Scutist is a UI testing framework created by Apple for iOS applications. Supports iOS applications. Programming languages. Swift/Objective-C. Robot Framework is an open-source automation framework using keyword-driven testing approach. Supports acceptance testing and ATDD for various applications. Programming languages. Python. Gauge is an open-source test automation framework using Markdown syntax. It supports various applications using Markdown syntax for test specifications. Supported programming languages. JavaScript, Java, C#, Ruby. UiPath is a robotic and test automation tool. It supports Windows and web-based applications. Supported programming languages. VB and C#. Jest is a JavaScript testing framework maintained by Facebook. The tool supports JavaScript codebases. Supported programming languages. JavaScript. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, 12-Minute School or at 12MNS.